Let's go. It's raining and we're gonna do a little audio test. It's unfortunate that we're gonna have to do this while it's raining, but since we are putting the switch path on tomorrow, we want to get the different modes with the track edition and see what it sounds like. So we're gonna do a quick highway on-ramp and off-ramp scenario in different modes. Okay, let's talk about what we're going to be doing. We're going to be switching through these different modes as we drive, and there's also this M sound button, and that's the thing that turns on all the burbles. So when you hit that, you essentially see M sound on or off. In off, we get none of the burbles, and on, you get all the burbles, and that's essentially all you have. And with the track edition, you don't have any of the valving, so it's basically a straight through. Let's get back to it. So right now we're in normal. We have M sound on, and we're gonna go. And this is us driving normally. The sun is out. We're gonna have to give it a nice wash after. There's still that drone inside the cabin between 2,500 and 3,000, just in normal, but it's not as loud when you use it with Sport or Sport Plus. Take these glasses off. Can't really operate properly with it. I don't need it for regular driving, so put that away. We'll try it like that. This is going into red light. When we do M1, things go into sport. Which is a bit unfortunate. So, you know, the way I drive, I'm in the city, I'll be cruising around the 2,500 and 3,000 mark anyways. So I'm gonna have to learn to switch out of those RPM ranges. You know, when I'm doing 50 kilometers an hour, maybe I'll do third gear instead of second gear. That drops it below 2,000 RPM, and that allows me to still, you know, drive this car with this exhaust without on the highway. Plus. Or, sorry, that's all in Sport. Now let's go to Sport Plus. The burbles are so cool. And it's not obnoxious, which is what I really enjoy about this. I don't know if you can hear the drone. I know I'm talking about this so much only because it is that sweet spot where I cruise around in. Right now I'm like 60 kilometers an hour and I am in third gear, and I would be in like a 2500 RPM range, just between 2500 and 3000 RPM. But as soon as you get out of that range, it sounds pretty good. See, 55 kilometers an hour, third gear, you get a little bit of that drone because you're sitting in that 2500 RPM range. When you turn off the M sound control off entirely, essentially it takes away all the burbles. But it doesn't really impact the drone or anything like that. So that's in Sport Plus with no M sound. So essentially no burbles. Driving with M sound off in Sport Plus, it's not bad, just no burbles. Alright, let's try. We're gonna M sound off with Sport mode. Oh, the drone is pretty, yeah, it really gives you a headache, this one. Sport with M sound off, it's pretty tame, no burbles, but still pretty soundy out there, I would imagine. Okay, M sound back on. Oh, and it wakes it up. You got all the burbles back again. So I like it with the M sound on, but I don't like the droning a little bit. I'm sure I can get used to it with by adjusting my driving style a little bit, but we're gonna get the switch path system installed. So first thing in the morning, we're gonna head out to Sean. We'll see him, and we're going to swap out the track edition with the switch path system. And given that it's all modular, we don't have to really monkey around with the rest of the exhaust system. The mid pipe, the X pipe, the axle tubes and all of that, that will remain as is. All we're going to do is change out the muffler section of it. So there you go. We'll see you in a minute.